Okay, here we got then the energy key stage 4 topic, lots and lots of keywords to learn. A system that experiences no net change in its total energy when energy is transfer occur within it. Closed system. Okay, it's a closed box. The law that energy can be transferred, stored or dissipated but never created or destroyed, so we can't get rid of energy, is called the conservation of energy, but it can change from different things. The ratio of useful output energy transfer to total energy input, okay, so is an efficiency, often done as a percentage. The store of energy, that's stretched or compressed objects. So you've got your elastic band, you've got your spring, elastic potential energy. Coal, oil, gas are the three fossil fuels. The store of energy that all raised matter has. So if you carry anything above the ground, it's got gravitational potential energy, often written as GPE. The unit or the unit used for energy equal to the work done when a force of 1 Newton acts over a distance of 1 meter. Okay, it's quite a complicated definition there, right? But the unit of energy is a joule. The store of energy that all moving matter has. Anything moving, kinetic energy. The rate at which energy is transferred, so this time we're talking about the rate that it's transferred or at which work is done, is power. Okay, W, watts. An energy resource that can be replenished whilst it is being used. Renewable energy, HEP, wind, solar. The amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree C, specific heat capacity. Good definition. A measure of a spring stiffness. So this is all to do with the required practical, okay, where you've got your clamp stand, okay, looks like a whatever, right, hangman noose, and you've got a spring dangling from it. So it is a measure of the spring stiffness. The greater the value, the greater the force required. So if it's got a big spring constant, it's hard to pull it. A single or group of objects, a system. The higher this value is for a given material, the higher the material's rate of energy transfer via conduction will be. Thermal conductivity. The energy that isn't useful in a system, waste. The unit of power, what? It is equivalent to 1 joule of work being done in 1 second. The energy transferred when a force acts over a distance, work done. Now I think some of those are pretty tricky in there. Okay, you just got to kind of get the definitions, and some of the definitions in there are pretty precise, like the ones for power and things like that. Okay, but what you got to do is you got to know them. All right, so what I want you to do is pause the video, write down your answers onto a piece of paper in an exercise book, please. Okay, let's go. Let's go for it again and make sure those ones you got wrong the first time, you get right the second time. Okay, well done. Right, don't forget, repeat it in a month, 2 months. Okay, just don't forget, right, and make sure you're kind of repeating all the others as well.